As an author, you can edit a record if you created it, in which case you will find it either in your workspace or in your researcher profile. You can also edit a record if you are linked to it, in which case you will only find it in your researcher profile. To access your researcher profile, you can go through the Login menu at the top right, then choose the option My Account and Profile. You will be redirected to a page titled User Account. Click on View to access the full view of your profile. You can also access your researcher profile through the search function. To do this, click on People. Then enter your name in the search bar. Click on Search, and once the results appear, click on your name to be redirected to your researcher profile. Once in your profile, locate the record you want to edit. Under the Publications section, you will find all the records you have created, as well as those you are linked to. Identify the record of interest, then click on its title. You will then access the page containing the record's details. To edit the record, click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit. If you choose to access the record from your workspace rather than from your researcher profile, click on Edit to modify it. You will be redirected to the entry form, identical to the one used when creating the record, where you can make the necessary changes. Once the changes are made, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save and Quit. Your changes will be saved, and you will automatically be redirected to the record's detail page.